Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos and today we're going to talk about the usage of Facebook ads lookalikes on 2026. In 2025, the way that I was using lookalikes was never isolated, like 1% alone, 1% purchases alone, 1% add to cart. I was never using them alone. Maybe I would have used them as stacked lookalikes, 10% lookalikes, like 10% purchase, 10% initiate checkout, all of them together stacked, and crazy method. It was the only way that I could see that they would benefit me. The way that I was seeing lookalikes was a bridge between interests and broad targeting. As we said, all the ad accounts eventually should do broad targeting. This is the only way for them to scale, be sustainable, not collapsing all the time and all of that. If you're having a new ad account, maybe the broad targeting is not going to work immediately for you and you have to do some interest. And this is what I was seeing with lookalikes, maybe a bridge between the interests and lookalikes, then broad, so that you can be able to train your ad account as fast as you can and in the most cost-efficient way to broad targeting eventually. As the time passes by, I'm using less and less lookalikes, even in crazy method stacked lookalikes and even as a bridge, because I don't see the use of it. A lot of times I'm gonna transition from smaller interest if it's needed to bigger interest, and they're big enough for me to bridge the gap between broad targeting eventually and being able to do only broad targeting. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my Facebook ads course. It took me 6 months of video editing everything and 3 months of video shooting. And because of that, I have created the best Facebook ad course in the world. Inside, you're going to find super advanced information, but information also for beginners. It takes you by the hand in order to teach you how to do Facebook ads from the beginner level to super advanced level. It has inside Loom videos from cost caps, speed caps, Loom videos from CBO, ASC optimization. It has chosen 5 sessions, inner circle sessions, and it has a lot of theory with whiteboard, also strategies that are working all of these years, things that I have developed, things that I know that are working because I have spent millions and millions on the platform. Currently, I'm spending between 5 and 10 million every month, sometimes it's even more, across 30 accounts, and I have access to many more. So I know what is currently working and all the latest trends, and this is what I'm doing inside the course. I'm showing you live ad accounts with real spend and what is working right now. And if you want, you can click the link below, you can go and you can check some videos that I have open free for you so that you can check if you like the course or not and decide if you want to buy it or not. I will see you there. So I'm using them less and less. I'm gonna use them as a last solution if another account is problematic, has a new pixel and all of that, and I'm trying to get some campaigns get going to be consistent and whatever. But for sure, I can tell you that maybe for the past 2, 3, 4 months, I have not used them. Of course, we're talking about months that they were all about scaling, Black Friday and all of that. So obviously, I wouldn't be using lookalikes to scale. I would use broad targeting. And also, I didn't have so many problematic ad accounts during this period because I tried to get rid of all of that so that I can have enough good ad accounts so that I can be able to scale, which is what Black Friday is about. In 2026, I believe that I'm gonna use them even less and I'm gonna use them only if I'm desperate. In 2025, maybe I use them a little bit as a bridge between interests and broad targeting, eventually going to broad targeting in the most cost efficient way. This year, I think that I will use them less and less because I think that already we have such big broad interests that they're going to help you bridge the gap between broad. If another account is having a trained pixel and all of that, we don't even have to use interests. I'm talking about other accounts that are new. Sometimes they need a little bit of help of the interest and all of that. And there are other ad accounts that since day one, they can work with broad targeting. It doesn't matter. But at the end of the day, if you're having problems, maybe you should check also interests so that you can have lower CPMs. You can try to find something which is working because your pixel doesn't understand immediately the ideal avatar client for you and all of that. What we're called to do on a new ad account is to train the pixel in the most cost efficient way so that we can be able to do broad targeting one day. So, stack lookalikes, crazy method, blender method, and all of the other things using lookalikes are going to be used less and less from me on 2026. And of course, if something is gonna change, I'm gonna let you know. Don't forget guys, that if you want to learn more, you can check my book. You can check also my course where all of these things are inside. And you need to know all of these things because at the end of the day, you're going to test this and this and this and this, and you're going to find what is working better in your ad account. So all of these different strategies are things that you should test in your ad account. And if you're lucky enough and since day one broad targeting is working, perfect. You're going to use all the other things inside the course, like how to optimize CBO campaigns, scale with average results, cost caps even. There are a lot of videos there that are going to help you through that direction. But even if you're struggling, there are other videos that are going to help you to get started. Also, I have my mentorship program, huge success the previous year. If you want to work with me one-on-one daily on your ad account, send me a message and we're going to find a solution. Needless to say that Chosen 5 is for higher spend individuals. Don't come to me if you're spending 100 or 200 per day. We're not going to be able to work one-on-one. Go buy the course, scale, and come when you're going to be ready. Until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.